Hello everyone, a quick update from my side. If you remember, I've just submitted the exam voucher for this fabric related exams, right, a couple of days back, and I just see a private message in my inbox on this fabric community, as you can see on the screen. So I've already received a free voucher code which I can use to schedule an exam for DP600 or DP700 or DP800. So I see a couple of important notes here. One is I need to redeem this voucher by July 15, 2026. I mean, this is specific to my particular voucher because I've just received it today. I have 15 days to redeem this voucher, and I have almost 50 days, up till August 20th to take the exam. So I have a bandwidth of 50 days, so I can schedule my exam on August 20th as well, right? Any day before August 20th. So let me do that quickly. Let me schedule an exam. So I have not taken DP800 yet, so let me schedule for this particular exam. Let me just open this in a new window. Let me copy the voucher code first, and then let me just open this in a new tab, and let me click on schedule the exam. Let me sign in with my personal Gmail ID. Alright, so I'll quickly enter the details. Submit. I wanted to take the exam at my space, like from my home, not in person. So I'll just quickly go ahead. I'm just agreeing to all of these terms and conditions so that I can just click on submit and go to the next step. Yeah, so I'm from Isha, Kolkata. Let me go to the next. Okay, it's different time. Yes, so where is okay? Yes, that's right. Okay, so I wanted to pick something which is a little far so that I have enough time just to prepare for the exam, right? So 20th was my date that I have to pick it up, which I'm okay. Rather, I wanted to keep it little early, maybe 13th August. Right. Okay, I'll just explore more times. Rather, I would keep it at, it should be morning, 9:15 in the morning. It should be okay with me. Let me click on book this appointment. I need to confirm the contact information. Okay, these are my details. Alright, I think it is okay. In addition to scheduling exam, you might be interested in the following products. Okay, I don't think the voucher is valid for this, so I'm not adding this. Okay, so the tag, including the tax, the overall cost is 5,740 rupees. So let me click on next and see if I can find the voucher. Yeah, so here you need to add that voucher or promo code. So I'll just paste it here. Yes, let me click on apply. As you can see, now my total amount is 0. So I'll go ahead and schedule this. Amount is 0, blah blah blah. Submit the order. I've selected my date. I think we're good to go. Your appointment is confirmed. An order confirmation containing important exam day information has been sent to. So okay, I'll do this later. I should test this particular system if it is eligible for the for taking the exam or not. So alright, so I think exam is scheduled on August 13, 2026, morning 9:15 a.m. check-in time is 8:45 a.m. so we're good. These are the important information that needs to look into before taking the exam. Okay, just in case if you have not applied for the free voucher, you can click on the video that is mentioned in the description. So I mentioned clearly a step-by-step process on how to apply for the voucher, and also there's a deadline that you need to apply for this voucher. You need to apply these vouchers before August 10th. Only then you'll be getting these free vouchers worth rupees almost like 5,700, right? So thanks for watching.